What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some amazing news. So for a while now I've been wanting to cut off my hair. I don't know why, it's just been a desire, like literally keep scissors away from me. I want to cut it off. So after doing lots of thinking, I thought, one, you may as well do it, live life on the wild side. But two, I start to play with my hair a little bit more because it is relaxed. And I just start to realize how annoyed I am with my relaxed ends. Like, my hair is a decent length, but the ends always become so dry. And like combing through my hair, it's always a problem with the permed ends versus with my natural hair. So I decided that today I'm going to show you guys all about my big chop. I just came back, my hair has some conditioner in it, and I just want to show you the extent to which my hair is going to be cut. So as you can see here, there's only a certain amount of my hair that's actually curling, and the rest is all processed. So my goal here is to cut all the way here. Ready? What's up YouTube? So I have finally done it. I completed my big chop. I definitely dyed my hair, so there is some dye around. But for the most part, honestly, it looks amazing. I'm so satisfied and I'm so happy with my decision. Literally, as soon as she cut the hair off, I was like content, and like there's people freaking out. Oh my gosh, you're cutting off all your hair. Yeah. Besides that, everything was good. Honestly, like as soon as she cut it, I knew that this was for me. I am very happy. I never actually told you what motivated me to cut it off. So basically, it's like I just been wanting to cut my hair for the longest while. I delayed perming it again, and every time I had a pair of scissors in my hand, I was like a danger to myself. So I was listening to a teammate of mine speak about just being decisive, and I remembered some words that I read out of a Brian Tracy book, and it's basically saying like the way you make one decision is the way you make every single decision. So just be decisive. So I said, F it, we're cutting it off. So I'm very happy with the results. As you can see, like I'm clearly like posing. I recommend everybody to do the big chop if you want to do the big chop. I wanted to go blonde, but because my hair was red recently, I had to stick with the red. At first, it took some time to get used to. Like looking in the mirror, it was like weird, and I wasn't sure if I loved it at first, but I made the decision, so whatever. But I was going everywhere, and people were like, "Oh my gosh, that looks so great." And I don't know, I got home and I just sunk into it, and like, it is for me. I don't know. I want to grow my hair back out for sure, but I'm 100% liking the short, like Eva Marcel type of do. It fits my face, I think. But yeah, there's definitely more to come. There's a lot for me to learn because since I've been touching my hair, it's never been natural. So this is going to be a new experience for me and a fun journey for you guys to potentially watch, because it's like being a whole newborn child, because I've never dealt with natural hair. I'm in love with my curls, and I bought some Shea Moisture products to like help me define my curls a bit and just to keep my hair moisturized and cleaned without damaging my hair. Because my biggest fear is like, you know, I want to start fresh and I want to have healthy hair, so I just don't want to do anything that's going to compromise that. But yeah, I am so happy with my hair. So happy. Like, posing. So happy, honestly. Well, that's all from me today, YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed my big chop experience. Remember that before this video ceases, that you do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Click like and potentially turn that bell on if you feel like it. Keep a lookout. There's so many great things to come. I'm so excited to share, and I hope you guys enjoyed. But bye for now.